I've made a huge mistake. I drew this with wrong strength and thickness.
Hi, I'm Dantti and here's how you can fix this. First, go to Sculpt mode. Select the Strength tool, tweak the strength value, press F key and enlarge the brush. Draw over the old stroke and BAM! Strength is up. If you want to make adjustment to the thickness, you can use the thickness brush in Sculpt mode. The scale goes up pretty fast, so try a low value at first. Scale the brush and gently brush over to make the lines more thick. Or you can go to edit mode. Select all with A key. You can change the thickness with radius tool by holding mouse and dragging. Or you can also tweak the stroke at the side panel with adjustments. Whoops, wrong layer. You can make minor tweaks easily. Or you can add a thickness modifier, change the thickness value. You can also play with the custom curve to make it more stylized. You can also animate all these values at the timeline. Yeah, boy!